Jim Scott is, I think, one of the most unsung figures in the building of the modern Fairfax County community. He was unassuming, he was gentle, he was kind, and he was something that is a rare commodity among political elected officials, generous toward others.
So we're at the Providence Community Center, a community center within the Department of Neighborhood and Community Services. And we're here to celebrate Mr. Jim Scott, a lifelong community servant and community advocate, education advocate, who has served on our local government as a supervisor for 14 years, as well as a Virginia House of Delegate for 22 years.
And when I think of Jim, I think of community. He was Mr. Community, and so there is no more appropriate place to place his name than at a community center.
1, 2, 3,
Jim really truly embodied community and everything he did, from his work at the local level, helping create and ensure the SAC program, child services programs, housing programs, even way before they were popular here in the county, ensuring that there was housing for everyone here in our community. And he did the same at the state level. So definitely this was created by a board matter, by myself, by Chairman McKay, and by Supervisor Penny Gross. It was then that passed unanimously by the Board of Supervisors to rename this center in honor of Jim Scott. And then Neighborhood and Community Services, under the direction of Karen Demijango and so many others, went out to the community. They met with Nancy Scott first, talked about possible names. We created voting for the names. They had community meetings about the names, virtual, in person, and in the end it was the Jim Scott Community Center.
Some of the services and programs that are offered here are our older adult programs for people age 50 and older. We also have a school-age child care program, which folks refer to as SAC. That's for young people 5 to 12 years old. And we also have teen programming and a lot of other sports and recreation programs here at the center.
Again, we all thank you. May Jim's spirit spread throughout the halls here and help the Jim Scott Community Center thrive and grow as a welcome resource for all our Providence and Fairfax City neighbors. Anybody who wants to come is welcome.